And just like that, your Best Pass is now available in your Apple Wallet and ready to use whenever you need it. Once the card appears in Wallet, you won't need to carry a physical pass anymore, making access quick and convenient. To do this, you'll need a simple third-party app. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for StoCard. Download and install the app, then open it once installation is complete. On the home screen, look at the top right corner and tap the Add button. From the list, select Other Card. Now you can either scan your Best Pass using the front camera or enter the pass details manually. After entering the information, tap Save. Once saved, the app will automatically add your pass to Apple Wallet. If you were confused because Apple Wallet in the UK doesn't allow adding passes like Best Pass directly, this method gives you a simple workaround. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Here we share easy and practical iPhone tips. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides.